This 2004 Ford Excursion at Cars, Trucks & More features the limited trim package, which includes premium stereo with 6 CD disc changer, heated front seats, memory seats and foot pedals, climate and audio controls on the steering wheel, premium leather seating, third row, home link transmitter, rear entertainment center with DVD, and more. This Excursion comes with the 6-liter turbocharged diesel V8 engine and 5-speed automatic transmission. It also features the optional 4-wheel drive trailer tow group, including telescoping heated trailer mirrors with integrated turn signals, and has a towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds. You can see more pictures of this Excursion or apply for auto financing at our website, www.ctmas.com. Come see us at 861 East Grand River in downtown Howell, or call 517-546-7000 to schedule your test drive today.